lead free and the varmints. Let's see. Not bad. Alright, fellas. Here we are at the Walmart. I don't know how well this is coming through, but as you can plainly see, I'm rocking my everyday carry as I do my ammo hunting. I'm gonna go see what I can find in here. Hopefully that came out pretty clear, because I hate to have to chop up this video, you know? But it is what it is. I'm doing alright, how are you? It's a little late in the night. Let's see. Oh, they actually have some 22 on the shelf. Some of that lead free. Yeah. Some Perfecta 9, some 40. Some PDX 1. Not interested in it. Some 357 Magnum. Oh, 38 Special. And there's some 223. Some 308. Man, I can't find any of that Perfecta 380. That's what I'm up here looking, trying to get. ZQI boxes all looking all busted up. Part of me wants to take them home, give them a nice place to live, but I don't see that happening. 6 boxes of Perfecta 223. There's some more Perfecta 308. Man, 2 Walmarts and neither one of them have anything that I truly want. Oh well. It's another night. If I pick up something, I'll do a video when I get home. Later, fellas. And once again, there's the everyday carry. I know I flipped my phone, so this might not come through good, or it might be upside down. So don't kill me too much, fellas. Don't beat me up too bad. What's up, fellas? AZ Sandman here. It was just another day of ammo hunting. I actually went to Cabelas because the rest of my order finally came through from 10.5. Here is a tag for some of that high energy. If I would have known they were going to start selling it in the store as soon as they did, I wouldn't have bothered ordering it online and having to wait. But it started showing up for me prior to it showing. I had a couple of orders come prior to them carrying it in store. So, it all worked out. So here's the tags for the two I picked up when I made the video. And here's one of them. I'll be peeling this tag off before I put it in the collection. And here's the second one. So now that I know I can buy more in store, because it seems to be staying on the shelf, because the receipt, well, let's see. The video was actually made yesterday, the 16th, the in-store footage, and I'm doing the video today, the 17th. And in one of the videos, I went to Walmart. I was actually just looking for some 380 Perfecta. The first Walmart I didn't buy anything at. The second Walmart is the one that had the 6 boxes of the 223 still on the shelf. And I didn't feel like going home empty-handed again. So here's the tag for it. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and give those 6 boxes a nice place to stay. And the universal access thing right there, that was one of those Skylanders superchargers for my son. Yeah, he's all into that. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 16, 21, 15. All right. So that's just the little score from, let's see, Friday. I went out again today. Didn't have my phone with me. Didn't plan on making any video. Didn't plan on scoring unless I found something that I didn't have. And, we were at the boys' soccer practice. And lo and behold, I decided to go to Cabelas. And they had pretty much everything that was in that previous video, except they also had Winchester 555 boxes. I was thinking to myself, should I get some? Because, these guys are buying them 2 at a time because they couldn't get 3, because Cabelas won't let them get 1,200 rounds. And I was thinking, should I get one? But then I started thinking, you know what? $34.99 for 555 rounds of the white box? Not yet. And plus, got 5 kids, and I really got to slow it down a little bit. Got to start getting ready for Christmas and Thanksgiving, and, my wife just started decorating for Halloween, and oh my goodness. What else is there? Let's see. Christmas, Thanksgiving. Oh, my son's birthday is December 12th, I think, or the 18th. It's one of them. I can tell you what day I put my rifle together, but don't ask me the days my kids were born. Let's see. Yeah, so that's pretty much what it is. All right. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.